We're going to evaluate the downstairs ability for heating. As you can see, when we aim it at the metal on the condenser, it's 86 degrees. If you aim it over here at the bricks, 95. If you take it up here on the vinyl siding, 97 degrees, 98 degrees, 95, 96. So I mean, it's warm outside, it's not blazing hot. But let's go inside and see what temperatures we get inside, what the air intake is, and what we're getting out of the vents. Because I think the inspector misrepresented how well the downstairs unit was performing, and we're videoing so that you know there's no funny business by the owner in between shots. So here is the intake. Intake temperature 71. Let's see it again. 71. 71. Okay, so we got 71 going in. Let's see what we have coming out the vent. 56, 55, 54, 53. Let's go check another vent. $52, 51, 50. So it's kind of obvious that we do have a 20-degree temperature drop from the intake to the returns. The downstairs air conditioning is functioning plenty well. Just wanted to provide that as some resource there for you.